Hello and welcome back to INSEVIS Video-Tutorials. My name is Andy and today I'm showing you the service stage. You can find the service stage on insevis.com in the download menu. Under the point software, you can simply download it. When the download is done, you extract the zip file and execute the installer, and the remote stage will be installed. I have already done this on my machine, and I will just open it. And here it is. Now, inside the service stage, you have on the left side an overview of your network interfaces. So you just select the interface you use with a single click, and now it shows all the accessible PLCs. And these PLCs are not only the one that are in your subnet, but every reachable PLC from your network interface. This means even if this PLC would be in the different subnet here, the program would notice you and you can change the IP address on the fly without having to change your subnet or something else. This was before not possible, but is now with the service stage. If you have found your PLC, you double click it, and now you have an overview of the data inside. So you have the device name, serial number, firmware version, and so on. And from within here, you can update the firmware. If you need a new firmware, you can just contact us. You can assign the new IP address. You can execute an LED blink test. This is especially useful if you have multiple devices of the same kind lying around, and you're not completely sure to which you have connected yourself now. So with the LED blink test, an LED on the back side will flash, and you see which device it is. You can change the operating mode and view the operating mode. You can update the date and time from your PC to the PLC. You can have a look on your memory. You can compress the memory. You can copy from RAM to ROM to make a secure backup. You can clear the memory, which means it will erase your S7 program, your configuration file, and your visualization data. So everything but the firmware is gone. Down here you see your diagnostic buffer with all the error messages and events that happened. And down here you can also update your device with a WLD file for your S7 program. VS-bin for the visualization binary, and configuration binary CS-bin. So you don't have to start up these individual program every time you set up a new device. So you would just upload the file here. Down here you can also set the know-how protection. This goes from no protection to full protection, and full protection meaning in this no one has access to the data on the device ever again, basically. So if you yourself, even as the manufacturer or as the user of the device, want to access the data on site, you would have to completely erase the memory and set it up completely new, so no one can access this. We have done this to make it an actually secure know-how protection, because if you would simply set a password or such, almost everyone can hack this or can guess it, or it's not. There is a chance that your password is not secure and your know-how is gone in this case. But if you deliver your machine with this PLC and you set the read-write protection, no one will ever be able to access this. That's all from me. Thanks for listening. If you enjoyed it, give me a like, share this video with your colleagues, and hit the subscribe button so you won't miss a single tutorial.